wrestling. I don't know if
Oh,
anybody's wrestling fans. You want to do a shout out, right?
yeah.
Ricky?
Can I do a shout out? I want to
Yeah, go
DAWG, DAWG, Dangerous Adrenaline Wrestling Gladiators. It's a up and coming league. Been to a bunch of their shows. It's always a great time. Their next one is at Pennsville Middle School on October 18th of this year at 7:30. And if you haven't been, check it out. DAWG is a fun ass league, man, and it's a great time, for any age. So check them out.
Well,
Professional
I,
wrestling.